Mboya Sya Kuvoeaya meya kuu ya Manatiiwe ni Thayu Mbangani ya Ndeke Kisioni cha Mosop Kauntini ya Nandi Nisyatwaiiw'A Kanisani wa The African Gospel Church Karen Kauntini ya Ilovi ya Kyeva Iyikumbila Mboya Andu Misyi ya Atutuia Mayielesya Useo wa Endwa ila Manai Thayu ulona muyumbe wa Mumbunge cha Emurua Dikir Johana ng'eno Aikathwa kwa Muungamo wake wa kutetea haki cia mwene nthi na uthukumi Useo ila Unai Thayu Mboya ni isibigitwo ni atongo ikibathukanio mevo ayumbe maseneta mangavana na munini wa musumbi Profesa Ndeke kati wa atongo angi mwaka mwau ni ebigite na yu no gutolese
tu ya Kyeva ni Iyikumbila chathi cha Mboya Sya Kuvoeaya ya Andu thanthatu Manatiiwe ni Thayu Mbangani ya Ndeke lena kiti Kisioni cha Mosop Kauntini ya Nandi tuku miongo eli na nyanya mwini wa keli Mino wivowa ulauna muyumbe wa Mumbunge cha Emurua Dikir Johana ng'eno hivi kwa Kanisani wa The African Gospel Church Karen Kauntini Ilovi na valama kathi wa tangu mbao sineyumite kuthukuma nthi ya Kenya na ngoi mwe.
In their eyes, you were a hero. In mine, you were a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth, the laughter, the dreams, the simplicity of believing we had endless time.
So, Nick was just a young and ambitious person. Graduated recently from Maseno University, and we are so saddened by his loss.
Your resilience has been unmatched. Your dedication to serve the people was left. I saw in you a steady spirit and heart willing to serve others. You listened, you learned, and you carried yourself with respect.
Ngo ikivathukanio itongwe ni munini wa President Ndeke mukathia muyumbe Johana ng'eno kwa kwithiwa engumbo ya kumathukuma ene nthi ma Mumbunge chake Muungamo wake wa kutetea mavata mo.
I think that we did well together with Mheshimiwa ng'eno, and I must acknowledge the members of parliament who are here. Was the fight for the creative economy and artists. It didn't start recently, it started back in the 11th parliament. That fight for artists and the creative economy, which is a true frontier for our economy, must continue. And it's sad that he lost his life in that fight.
There are many things we agreed with. There are things that we didn't agree together. But in principle, we agreed on the things that he stood for. We perhaps sometimes only differed in the approach of how to get what he wanted. But nonetheless, we remained good friends.
We needed a man like ng'eno to be able to shepherd us through the housing levy debacle of 2023-2024.
Ndeke ainena chathi ni kini wathana kana silikali ni kwithiwi kwatilila misyi ya Endwa asu Manatiiwe ni Thayu kavindani kau itetea andu ya mututia ng'eno na President William Ruto.
For all those 6 families, I have listened to the various requests for support beyond the immediate support. The request by my brother Patrick on Mwalimu, because we have another qualified person from the same family. I want to undertake on behalf of government that it is going to be done as requested. We were doing some event for 20 churches, and he came and he told me in front of the people, Mr. Deputy President, if you want to succeed, you must stand behind President Ruto and support him to deliver for Kenya. So if anybody had any doubt that the late Johana ng'eno was a friend, supporter of the president, that doubt should be removed today through the witness statement that I am providing before this congregation.
Chathi cha kumumasya muyumbe Johana ng'eno Kikatwaiiw'A matuku thanthatu mwaini wa katatu Kauntini ya Narok lilivotia vilingiwa movoku makauntini Ilovi nitoa mwaka mweu.